In the last video, we created a header with the center logo and we divided the menu into two parts for desktop. In this video, we are going to make this header a sticky one. If you missed the video, you would find the URL in the card and the description. Now we are going to make the sticky header. Sticky means if you scroll the web page, the header will be visible at the top, so visitor can see the menu and the logo all the time. Assalamu alaikum and hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adnan Ahmed, a self-taught web developer with over 10 years of experience in creating websites using PHP and WordPress. This video will show you how to create a transparent sticky header in WordPress using Elementor. Sound interesting? Let's quickly building it. But wait for a second. If it is the first time you visit my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. This way you will get notified in the future whenever I upload some videos like this. So let's jump to the computer screen to create a transparent sticky header in WordPress using Elementor. Okay, to create a transparent sticky header, I am going to open the website which we created in the last video. If you didn't see the video, please click on the card icon or I will give the URL of the video in the description. So first what we will do, we will make this part transparent. For this I am going to Elementor. Okay, I am clicking on the section which is actually the desktop menu bar. After this you need to go to advanced and then unlink this icon. Okay, here you will provide an active margin somewhat about -110, and also with this we have to set the minimum height of this section. To this we need to go to layout and here you will set the minimum height to 110. Okay, save it and check the website. Okay, now the header menu is transparent but we can't see the menu icons. We need to change the color of this. For this I am going to section and then if the navigator is open we can click on the nav menu and change its color to absolute white. And likewise we have two menus, which is the right menu also, and I'm going to change its color to white also. Save it and now we see on the web page. Okay, menu color is fine, but you can see it is not sticky. Now for this I am going back to Elementor, clicking on the desktop menu section, and from here you need to click advanced and then there is option you can see here is motion effects, and here you can make it sticky, top or bottom. I'm going to make top here and then save it. Okay, now it is sticky, but you can see when we are going to white background we can't see that menu items at all. Now here we are going to provide some background when it start scrolling and the menu is sticky. For this I am going to custom CSS. I am pasting some CSS here which I will provide in the description also, as it is not a CSS tutorial so I'm not explaining much but I will tell you some. Okay, I'm updating it and now refreshing my page. Now you can see it already applied that background which is some transparent background, but we want when we start scrolling to some part and then it should apply to the menu. For this I'm going to advanced and then again to motion effects, and here I am going to change the value of effect offset. So when we scroll to some 100 pixel that sticky motion will apply to it and we can see it when we apply. Now I'm going back to page, refreshing it. Now you can see there is no transparent background, but when I'm going to scroll you see it shifted a bit to the top and the background is also applied.
and when I go back to the top, that background is removed, but with some transition. Now this is a desktop menu. What is going to happen when we see it on the mobile layout? If I go to developer tools by right clicking on the web page and inspect, and then you can click on this device icon. Maybe I can see on the iPhone or any other mobile you see. Okay, now this menu is not sticky, so we are going to follow those steps which we already applied to the desktop menu. So I'm quickly doing that. I'm clicking on that mobile section. How we know this is a mobile section? In the previous video we set that responsive option to hide on desktop but visible on tablet and mobile, and likewise for desktop we did the step where hide on tablet, hide on mobile. So I'm going to this second menu, same like we are going to make it negative margin. We can't directly enter the negative number, so I have to give some number here, and then it is 110. Okay, and you can actually change that number whatever the height you want to set for the menu. And in the layout I am going to set the minimum height to 110 also, and after that we are going to apply that motion effect. It will be sticky to top, and effect offset is 100, and likewise same CSS I'm going to paste here and just update it and see how it is looking. So whatever the changes we need to make, we will look at. Okay, I'm refreshing the mobile layout. We can scroll and it is changing. The menu is sticky, animation is bright, but we can't see that toggle button, so we need to change the color. What I'm going to do, I'm removing this white background from here, and again I'm clicking to that mobile section, and then I'm going to style. So I'm going to remove this color, and for the mobile menu toggle button I have to click that nav menu of the mobile, and then going to style, and here you can see the toggle button, and we can make the color to white maybe. Let's see what happened. Okay, I'm refreshing. Now you see that white background is gone, toggle is in white color. When I'm going to scroll to 100 pixel, that transparent background is there. So this way you can create a transparent sticky header bar for desktop and mobiles. You can change the colors whatever you want in the menu.
Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with others. Do you have any question? Please write me in the comments. I love to reply. Also, if you need some help with anything related to web development, please write me. I will create a video on it soon. Until next time, take care of yourself and your loved ones. I am signing off.